सुप्रभातं छात्राः। सप्तमः पाठः सौहार्द्रं प्रकृतेः शोभा। सौहार्दं मीन्स living together with affection and friendship. So prakritehe shobha, that is the beauty of nature. So through this lesson we are going to learn that we must live together. Living in harmony is basic essential for this society, and we can live happily and peacefully by living in harmony. So that only the beauty of nature. And also we are going to learn that each and everyone in this society are having their own importance. So we cannot say that somebody is great and somebody is useless, because in this society each and every person, every individual, every animal, every materials have their own importance. When it necessary, useful, we can realize the usefulness of each and everything. Therefore we are not supposed to degrade anyone or anything. अयं पाठः परस्परं स्नेह सौहार्द्रपूर्णः व्यवहारः स्यादिति बोधयति. अयं पाठः परस्परं स्नेह सौहार्द्रपूर्णः व्यवहारः स्यादिति बोधयति. This lesson teaches us that we should live in friendly manner each other. That means we must consider everyone as our own relatives and own friends, and we need to respect each and everyone. That is what said in our culture, that Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam means whole world is like our family. So when we consider whole world like our family, then there will be no discriminations and insulting each other. All such things won't happen. Therefore always we must consider everyone as our own, and we must behave friendly. सम्प्रति वयं पश्यामः यत् समाजे जनाः आत्माभिमानिनः सञ्जाताः, ते परस्परं तिरस्कुर्वन्ति. सम्प्रति वयं पश्यामः यत् समाजे जनाः आत्माभिमानिनः सञ्जाताः, ते परस्परं तिरस्कुर्वन्ति. But now we can see that people in this society are egoistic and they are rejecting each other. But generally we can see that each and everyone in this society, most of them are egoistic. Atma Abhimaninaha means egoistic. And they are not ready to accept each other. Means one person is not being ready to accept others' greatness or qualities. Even in class we can see that if somebody are very good in some skills, then others are not accepting as it is and trying to find fault in them. So because of egoistic nature, they are behaving like this. So we must avoid such nature and we must learn to respect each other. स्वार्थपूर्णे संलग्नाः ते परेषां कल्याणविषये नैव किमपि चिन्तयन्ति. स्वार्थपूर्णे संलग्नाः ते परेषां कल्याणविषये नैव किमपि चिन्तयन्ति. Means people being busy in their selfishness, they never think about others' welfare. So now it is generally happened that everyone are busy in fulfilling their own benefits, because everyone in the society became selfish. Swartha Puranam means selfishness. Kalyana Vishay means for others' benefit. kimapi chintayanti. They have never thought. Therefore, being selfish, no one thinks about others' benefit and others' comforts and all. Even by doing some harm things to others, they are ready to get their benefit. तेषां जीवनोद्देश्यम् अधुना इदं सञ्जातं नीचैः अनीचैः अतिनीचनीचैः सर्वैः उपायैः फलमेव साध्यं तेषां जीवन उद्देश्यम् अधुना इदं सञ्जातं नीचैः अनीचैः अतिनीचनीचैः सर्वैः उपायैः फलम् एव साध्यम्. So tesham जीवनोद्देश्यम idam aduna idam jatam. Goal of everyone's life is become like this, that nichaihi anichaihi atinicha nichaihi, by bad or worst or good, whatever, by doing any type of act, let it be a bad or worst or good, so for some way they want to get benefits. So they never bothered about others' benefits and good or bad things. They just think about their welfare. Now goal of everyone's life is either by good or bad or worst act, let us earn some profit. So getting some profit became the goal of everyone in this society now. अतः समाजे पारस्परिक स्नेहसंवर्धनाय अस्मिन् पाठे पशुपक्षीणां माध्यमेन समाजे व्यवहृतम् आत्माभिमानं दर्शयन् प्रकृतिमातुः माध्यमेन अन्ते निष्कर्षः स्थापितः यत् कालानुगुणं सर्वेषां महत्त्वं भवति, सर्वे अन्योन्याश्रिताः सन्ति. अतः समाजे पारस्परिक स्नेहसंवर्धनाय अस्मिन् पाठे पशुपक्षीणां माध्यमेन समाजे व्यवहृतम् आत्माभिमानं दर्शयन् प्रकृतिमातुः माध्यमेन अन्ते निष्कर्षः स्थापितः यत् कालानुगुणं सर्वेषां महत्त्वं भवति, सर्वे अन्योन्याश्रिताः सन्ति. So in this lesson, अतः समाजे पारस्परिक स्नेह संवर्धनाय, to increase the mutual friendly nature, in this lesson they have shown some conversation between Pashu Pakshinam Madhyamena, through animals and birds. They have shown the conversation of animals and birds. And Samaje Vyavrutam Atmabhimanam Darshayan, through animals and birds they show egoistic nature of the people in this society. And at the end, Prakriti Matuhu Madhyamena, with the medium of Mother Nature, Ante Nishkarshaha Stapitaha, they gave conclusion. Nishkarshaha means conclusion, that Kalanugunam Sarvesham Mahatvam Bhavati. Everyone in this world have importance according to their time. Sarve Anyonyashitaha eva. Everyone are mutually dependent. Like this, they gave moral through this lesson. Therefore, to improve affection between the people, in this lesson, through the characters of animals and birds, showing the ego, at the end, through the mother nature, it is proved that everyone in this world have importance and mutually interrelated. अतः अस्माभिः स्वकल्याणाय परस्परं स्नेहेन मैत्रीपूर्णव्यवहारेण च भाव्यं. Therefore, अतः अस्माभिः स्वकल्याणाय परस्परं स्नेहेन मैत्रीपूर्णव्यवहारेण च भाव्यं. Therefore, we must be friendly each other for our benefits and welfare. So those who wants to be benefited and get success must behave friendly in this society. Therefore, we should think to grow by mutual help and showing affection each other. So, dear students, we completed introduction of the lesson. Let us start with the lesson tomorrow. Thank you, children.